Did you know that by 2030, AI could displace up to 375 million jobs worldwide? That's a staggering number, and it's closer than you think. With AI giants like Deepseek and OpenAI's ChatGPT evolving at lightning speed, the fear of machines replacing humans is becoming a global conversation. From writers and designers to programmers and analysts, no profession feels entirely safe. AI is already transforming industries like customer service, where chatbots are handling complex queries, content creation with AI generated articles flooding the internet, and data analysis, where algorithms process information faster and more accurately than any human ever could. But here's the twist: AI isn't just about taking jobs, it's also creating them. Surprising, right? While AI takes over repetitive, time consuming tasks, it frees humans to focus on what we excel at: creative problem solving, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Imagine marketing teams using AI to decode consumer behavior in seconds, giving them more time to craft impactful campaigns. Think of developers leveraging AI to debug code effortlessly, allowing them to innovate faster. Even healthcare professionals are using AI to analyze patient data, enabling quicker diagnoses while doctors focus on personalized care. The entertainment industry is tapping into AI for scriptwriting assistance, game development, and even music composition, helping artists push creative boundaries rather than replace them. The key isn't to fear AI but to adapt and evolve with it. Those who embrace AI as a tool to boost productivity and creativity will thrive in the future job market. So, is AI a threat or an opportunity? The answer is both. It's not about whether AI will take your job, but whether you're ready to grow alongside it. What do you think? Is AI a partner or a competitor in your career? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for our next video on the future of work in an AI driven world.